Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials: your Bob World username, password, and the email tied to the account. Once done, make sure your device is online, Wi-Fi, or mobile data, because the login handshake requires a stable connection. Open the Bob World app or navigate to the official login page. Do not use third-party links. You enter credentials immediately. This first step triggers server authentication and any two-factor prompts, so be ready to follow the next verification phase right away. Once your credentials are accepted, you handle verification and security. You will often be asked for two-factor authentication. Open your Authenticator app or wait for the SMS code and enter it quickly because codes expire. Make sure to select Remember Device only on your personal hardware to reduce future friction. This speeds login, but increases risk if compromised. Also review requested permissions. Cookies are usually necessary. Location is optional, because granting only what's needed preserves. You finish by confirming the account fully loads. Check your profile picture, friends list, or dashboard to verify the session is active. Once visible, allow the app to sync progress and cloud saves. Wait for confirmation icons or a complete 100% sync message before closing. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Clear app cache, force close and retry, or reset your password via the registered email. If those steps fail, contact Bob World support with your account email and a brief error description for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.